How to fix Snapchat login error on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix if you're not being able to log into your Snapchat account from your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been having the login issue of Snapchat on your iPhone, there could be due to a couple of reasons. First of all, of course, as always, just open up settings and then you want to go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and then over here you simply want to search for an application called Snapchat. Once you search for Snapchat, all you have to do is just tap on the offload app button and then tap on the offload button, which is at the bottom of the screen, in order to offload the app and then reinstall it. If this doesn't help, then what you might want to try is to open up your app store, and in the search box you simply want to type in Snapchat. Check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Another thing this could happen is due to your account restrictions. So Snapchat could have banned your IP address from accessing the server because of some type of spammy behaviors. In that case, what you can try to do is you can simply switch your cellular data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to cellular data, which is ultimately going to change your IP address, and as a result is going to help you gain access back into your account. Last but not the least, this could also be happening due to incorrect credentials. So open up Snapchat, check if your credentials are correct, make sure to check your username, your email address. If you forgot your password, you can also reset them, but just go ahead and try to see if all the information is correct and then try to log into your account respectively. That's all it takes to fix Snapchat login error on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.